welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Shandestria, and yes, I know I am looking like I'm looking really rough. I have actually worn my hair in twists all week. Even though tomorrow is wash day, I just wanted to try something I came across on Instagram called COCOON CURLS. I am going to actually redo these twists in my head. The thicker ones I am going to break into two. Hopefully they come out right. I will be taking them down tomorrow. I think I got the gist of it, just as far as like how you are supposed to cocoon the twist and then wrap it or tie it. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and try to do that. Again, I am going to work off these sections that I have. So I got two in the back. Get that out the way. So all I'm doing, I'm going to spray my hair with my water. I have my leave-in conditioner. And I don't have my oil. I gotta go get my oil. And now I have my oil. I am going to be using my coil brush just to make sure the twist is straight. I posted an engagement question on Instagram and Facebook the other day asking what method do you use, the LCO or the lock method, and everybody said LCO. So I think I'm gonna go with that method today. Hopefully I can remember what method it is. So I got my liquid in, leave-in conditioner, whatever. I'm gonna put my cream in. And I'm not like soaking my hair. My hair is damp, but it's not soaked because it is supposed to be tied in a cocoon or a little knot ball. So I don't want it to not be dry tomorrow. And then I'm gonna add my oil. Now that I have my twist in, coil my end. Alright, so it's supposed to take 2 fingers closest to the root as possible and wrap. And then once you have a little tail, you pull it through here and then pull the cocoon down. And it's my cocoon. Let me try it again. So the little piece that is hanging out wherever it just went right here is supposed to be able to undo your knot. So I'm gonna try to go a little bit closer. I don't want my twist to come loose. Alright. Then I still have my piece here. And then you pull down your knot. Okay, so that looks a little better. This is gonna look so funny. With my little cocoons. I cannot wait to see exactly how my hair is gonna come out. So the back two I left in like a medium size because the back of my hair really does curl up really well. As I moved to the front, I did split these twists into the 2 strands and then twisted those separately because I know my hair is thicker at the top for whatever reason. This middle part of my head, like my hair is super thick and it takes forever to dry. So I did smaller sections. Even though it looked like I was spraying a lot of water, my hair is really thick and it takes forever for my hair to get wet, so my hair is damp. Putting them in was easy. Looking for the little piece of hair that I left out is probably going to be hard because my hair is going to curl back in there. But yeah, I cannot wait to see how these come out tomorrow. It is the next day. I have already been out today. I went hiking, so I did just wrap my hair in a scarf. So I will go ahead and take this down. Oh my gosh. Okay. So I'm just going to start from the back. Now the piece that, well, I gotta find it. It's kind of hard. So supposedly you're supposed to find the little piece that you left out. But my hair just seems to be a bit curly. So let's see if there's another way. Is this it? Found it. I don't know, guys. It's soft. And my hair is actually still a little damp. say that I love it. My hair has way more definition at the end compared to where if it was a twist out. It is frizzy. I cannot stop my hair from being frizzy for nothing in the world. I honestly think it's the way that I pull my hair apart, but that is okay. I have learned to embrace my frizz. Taking these apart, I did not have to fluff my hair or pick my hair out as much because of the way that the cocoon curl makes my curl just kind of like go crazy at the end. It makes my hair big without having to do much manipulation to it. So I really love this. Like, I did have to shape the front and pull that up, but other than that, it pretty much fell into its normal heart-shaped look that I would usually get after maybe a second day twist out. So I like this. My hair did not dry. Like, these are kind of like bantu knots, so I am glad that I did end up breaking them into smaller sections because my hair is still kind of damp, just right where it was looped around. But it won't take long to air dry. But I love it. Like, it's just big and fluffy and soft and moisturized. And look at this. Effortlessly. Next time I may not wet it so much. I think I will have to leave the cocoons wrapped a little longer because this was over 24 hours. And I sat out in the sun. I've been outside and my hair still was not dry, even with smaller sections. The thinnest section I had was probably the two that were like right here above my ear, and those were still pretty damp. My hair literally was not soaking wet, so I just think that when it's wrapped, it takes way longer to dry, just like bantu knots. I actually prefer these over bantu knots because I have not figured out bantu knots yet. I think it gives my hair a nice definition. The frizz I can deal with. I just love it. And then, you know, I like my hair wild, so it's cute. When I felt my hair was still damp, I was getting kind of nervous because I'm just like, this is just not gonna come out right. I just love it. And then look at this girl. Like, is that not popping? Popping. Popping, popping. This style was very easy. I literally came across this on Instagram, YouTubed it, and tried it, and these are my results. If you can twist and you know how to tie a knot, you can definitely do this style. It is super easy. It only took me about 30 minutes to actually retwist the twist that I had in originally because I did break those down into smaller sections just because I know my hair takes a while to dry, and I actually thought my hair would be dry, but yeah, you know, my hair had other plans, but it is not wet. Like, well, I barely feel the wetness now. Like, that's how damp it was. It was, well, I'd probably say probably 90% dry. If you have any questions, any comments, leave them down below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and make sure you are subscribed if you have not subscribed yet. Thank you guys for watching.